This video will help you identify the correct hub bearing for a 2007 Chevrolet or GMC truck. When working on a 2007 GM truck, it's important to know what body style truck you're working on. The body style of the truck is going to determine the correct bearing that fits that truck.
A noticeable difference between the two body styles is the front end design. One of the standout features is the headlamps. The GMT 800, which we call a classic style, has the headlamp modules split with a filler plate between the assemblies. The GMT 900, which we call a new style, has a one-piece assembly. The classic style GMT 800 has a passive style ABS system and a thicker ABS cord, which is 6 mm. The new style GMT 900 has an active style ABS system and a thinner ABS cord, which is 4.25 mm.
When choosing a replacement part for your vehicle, don't compromise safety. Install confidence with SKF bearings and seals.
For more product info, visit skfpartsinfo.com or follow us on Twitter at skfpartsinfo.